Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and for those of you that don't know me, I'm known as a guy all over the nation that is known for cracking the code on finding private money. And I am so excited that Milwaukee REIA has asked me to come back and do a very special Saturday workshop. And I want to talk to you about something that I'm going to teach at that event. Can you imagine having $5 million just a phone call away? Well, one of the items I'm going to teach you is about a special thing that you can do that is extremely easy to do is to go out and fill out a 2-page form, put in the name of your company and things like that, pay $700, and then be able to advertise to find private money lenders and be able to pool money. If you're doing bigger deals and so desire, you don't have to pool money. It's just your choice. You can use this in any state. And the very cool thing about this, that $5 million is for 1 year. That means in the second year, you can raise an additional $5 million. So we're up to $10 million. You can do this year after year after year. You can use it in any state. And it is amazing. And my students love it. In fact, I even have students from foreign countries using this. And you should use it too. This is in the United States. So what I'd like to have you do is go to this little link right here. It looks a little tough to do, but it's actually not too bad if you look at it. http://bit.ly with a dot in the middle, bit.ly / and then my name, ALAN. And then if you look at those numbers out there, that's just the date I'm going to be at your REIA, 050518. What you need to do is go there right now and get signed up. I've got a free gift for you, and if you show up, and you will love the day. So you want to be there at 8:30, and I cut off around 3 o'clock, and it is a dynamite day. You will be enthralled with what you're going to learn. I'll tell you what, whether you got private lenders or not, or whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, everybody ought to know how to get private money, because you're virtually unstoppable in the real estate business if you've got private money. If you're fooling around with banks and hard money lenders, a lot of times you can get cut off. And how do I know that? Well, years ago, before I had private lenders, it happened to me. I never want it to happen to you. So get to the workshop. It is Saturday, May the 5th. Just write that link down. Take a screenshot of this page right here and join me. You will not be disappointed. It is going to be an incredible day. And what I just showed you about raising $5 million, that's just a small part of the day. Just imagine what you're going to learn. Bring a pad and a pen, or your laptop or your iPad. Take some notes and learn how to get private money to your wealth.